Now, I really thought this was it for Mapitz and Thomas. I really didn't think they'll be able to dodge this bullet as well. But then, I guess they are telling the truth. Habari, cheaters always win. Proof of that is here. Mapitz and Thomas. So, let us talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. If you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by holding down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So the Friday episode ended with fans of Skeem Saam wondering whether or not T-Boss was going to catch Mapitz and Thomas in action. So T-Boss visited his wife unexpectedly while his wife was busy with her work husband. You guys know what they say about wives and work husbands or girlfriends with their work boyfriends. Mosbari mutu wa hao unale mutu wa hao ko mmerekong. And coming to think about that, so even you who's watching this video, this means that your boyfriend or your wife or husband or you know what? Never mind. Let me just go back to this video. So, T-Boss's visit on Mapitz's workplace ended with this situation. The situation needed a quick thinking. A cleanup which forced Mapitz to take Thomas's clothes and put them on her back. And that means Thomas will not have clothes now. Hey, cheating. You know, I'm really curious how T-Boss is going to react when he finally finds out, because by the look of things, the end is near for Mapitz and Thomas. They might have managed to escape this one, but I don't think they'll be able to hide it any longer. Lekore, T-Boss is a dumb husband. I mean, that office can't be that big. And usually, you can smell a weird smell if two people are having sex in a room, especially in a single room. And T-Boss is an adult. He knows how sex smells. So, I don't understand how they didn't catch this one. But then, we're going to have to keep on watching to find out as more plots unfold. So, ladies and gentlemen, with all that being said, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.